Today we see about geeks for geeks today problem. We given that count all triplets with the given sum in sorted array. Okay, we will given the question. Given a sorted array and a target value, the task is to complete triplets. Example I comma j comma k. Okay, for valid indices such that array plus array j plus array k is equal to target. Okay, guys, we will giving array and target value. Okay. Next, we given two input and outputs. Example, we will take and this input and output. Minus 3, comma, minus 1, comma, 0, comma, 1, comma, 2. And that is output is 4. Okay. Okay, guys, I will tell you your solve the problem in 6 steps. We will follow and do it our problems in home. Okay. First, we initialize and hold the size of the array. Okay, next we count is used to keep track of the number of triplets that sum up to target. Next we including outer loop. Fix the first element of the triplet array. Initialize left the second element to y plus 1 and write the third element to the last indices n minus 1. This is the second step. Next third step, two pointer logic. Use a while loop to check combinations of array. Left and right array. It is a fixed array I. Next we commit the sum of the triplet. Current sum only we will solve. Next fourth step is the if array left is equal to array right all elements. Between left and right are identical, calculate the number of combination using the formula. Okay, we will considering this formula. Next, we finally current sum target move the left pointer to the right to increase them. If current sum target move the right pointer to the left to decrease the sum. This is the rules of the steps problem. We will solve the steps. Our code was run. Okay, we will solve example code. Okay, okay, guys. If any queries, please comment me. I will reply. Okay. Next, we initializing n is equal to length of array, sorry, array. Okay. Next, we count is equal to 0. Next, we iterate the array to fix the first element. Okay, we will find for I in range, n minus 2 is to, okay. Then we use two pointers to find the other two elements. Example left and right. Okay, left, comma, right is equal to y plus 1. Next, n minus 1. Okay. Next, we got while loop left, left and right. You will find. Okay, current sum is equal to array I plus. You will find array that is left and right. Left of plus array right. Uh, Next, you see, you will get if current sum is equal to target. Next, next step is count all valid combinations of the current triplet. Okay. Another time we call if loop. If array left next is equal to array square bracket right. Next we count plus equal to right. Sorry, plus. Plus equal to right minus left plus 1. Next we multiply right minus left. We considering this process. Okay. Next belongs. Next we get break of count. Which we got is to left is to count is equal to 1. Next right is equal to 1. Next we got while loop left and right. Left plus 1. Okay, if right greater than right and array left. Okay, next is equal to array is we got left plus 1. Next we initialize left plus equal to 1. Okay, next we plus left count plus is equal to 1. Next, sorry, this is 2. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. That is solved. Next we another time we call while. Oh, sorry. While right minus 1 square bracket is not